Hi everyone, I'm Roman Liberty and I'll be taking us through the second phase of our class, which is the administrative section. As you can see on our screen, we have two different screens. This is the original home screen, the default way your site will be looking like when newly created. And here we have the logged in, administrative logged in already. As you can see, it is logged in here and there are some functions here. Now to get to the back end, you click on the dashboard. Now on the dashboard we have lots of content here, but first we are going to start with posts. Now posts takes charge over this section of the site, the site that brings in news. Uh, as you can see here, we have two posts, the COVID-19 and school resumption. So back you can always edit it to your desired taste. And next in line is we'll be skipping the Zoom meeting because the Zoom meeting is scheduled for the next class, which would involve teachers. And then we'll go into media. Media takes charge over everything that comes into the site in form of images, video, and anything media, audio, whatever. As you can see here, you can add new ones. You can optimize the one you already have and edit the one you have. That's for the media section. So next is going to be pages. As you can see, this site is a site that has a lot of page. From the menu, you know we have lots of page, and down to the footer, you see a lot of pages as well. We have a total of 25 pages. This is the home page, and to edit each page, all you need to do is come to the page section, click on all page, and click on the edit section of each page. This is a new page, this is a new page, this is a new page. So we click on the edit of this page to be able to edit the page. So as you can see, other than that, we have trashed, we have drafted. Now to edit this page, as you can see, this is the typicality of what we have here. Nonetheless, it's in a different view. To edit anything here, all you need to do is come to what we have here and click on edit. You get to go into their main functionality to know what they are. For the sake of our time, we're going to the next, and the next would be the WooCommerce section. We're skipping the comment section. The comment section is in charge of all comments that comes to your posts, whatever people say about the post. When they click on it, they have comment section. Wherever they comment, you can actually make reference to them here. Then the WooCommerce section is in charge of your shop, which is the buying and selling section of the entire site. And as you can see, on this section, we have the daily review, we have the weekly review, and we have the monthly review. And the amount of sales made, orders made, and a whole lot more functionality. But then this channel is just limited to what your market says or what your shop has been up to within a particular period of time. Nonetheless, the next session we're going to start talking about adding products. Here you can still, on the e-commerce section, you can manage customers, you can manage coupons that actually gives discount to your product. But then first, let's go into the product section where you can add new products. Okay, this is the product section. From this section you can add new projects. You can view existing project by clicking on all projects, all products, and add new products. Let's go through the processes of adding new products. You give a product a name from here. Let's say school bag is the name of the product, and you can give more explanation of what you want your product to be down here. You can actually write this in any language, in programming language or in visual language. And you publish after that. Although you suspend publishing, you come down here to add. If you're wanting a virtual product, if you're selling a virtual product or downloadable product, you simply click on each of this, any of this. Then the price, you input the regular price. Let's say the regular price is 300 and the sales price might be 290. What this would do is on the product, it will simply show the regular price and have a strike over the regular price, cancelling it and presenting the original sales price, which is your intended price, which is this. You would also need to add your image by using this. From here, you go straight, you either upload a new image from your system or you use from existing images. This is from the existing images. You click here to go into upload a new image, which will take you to your library. On this section, you can also organize the category, the tags, and attributes of your products. Next in line is going to be the analytics. Analytics is a typicality of the WooCommerce button, but this time it gives you full details of what your store is up to in a particular period of time, which includes sales and products that are not sold, orders, items that are sold, remaining items, just information all along as regards to your store and your products and your entire item. And that's it about the analytics. So next on the line is going to be marketing. Marketing is actually a place where you get tools and as regards to what you use to market and campaign. For example, automated WooCommerce, Mailchimp that helps you to send mails, or I would rather call it newsletters, and how to paste your products on Facebook, Google Ad Marketing, HubSpot for WooCommerce, Amazon integration, and a whole lot more other functionalities, but all still related to the product and the shop section of your site. So that's it about your marketing section. The next on the line is activities. The activities section takes charge of everything that the users have been going about. Right now we're having just one user, but then clicking on this user will take you to all written articles by this user, all his posts and details about him basically. After that, we go into the email section. The email section helps you take care of the emails that will be sent, automated emails that will be sent to users on different occasions. An example is when someone registers into your site, the email he gets in activation, this email will be sent to their email, or this mail will be sent to their email to help them activate their account. That is, if there is that set up already. And then an email that will be sent to persons that have new friend requests, and email to send to persons whose friend request got accepted, and group details updates. You have an invitation by a group, and lots of their membership requests, new messages, verify your email address, and that's what it is about. So this aspect takes charge of everything that has to do with emails that will be sent automatically from your control panel. So the next section is going to be the appearance section. In the appearance section, you have functionalities like theme, customization, your widgets, your menu, header backgrounds, and email. Let's take a peek of this theme, how you can actually edit the site theme. From here, you see you have lots of themes already. Nonetheless, this is a WordPress integrated site, so you're really allowed to add from over 10,000 themes from WordPress. So this is the ones that are already downloaded for you. Nonetheless, you can click here to add themes from original WordPress back in. Other than this, we also have the customize button, where you have to customize your theme to your preferred taste. This is an example. You can change your logo from here. You can change your site logo. You can change your site name, change your function, which is your site tagline, and the color of your site, the appearance of your site. Everything can be changed from this section. As you can see, this section has the background image. You can add a background image to the site. From this angle, you can work on the header option, the background color, the sidebar. Everything you're going to take in charge of is going to be within this section. You take notes of this section. It's one of the most important section, which is the customize section. From here, we are going to go into the menu. Now, as you can see, the site has two menus: logged in menu and logged out menu. The logged out menu is actually for visitors that does not have access, which is accounts with the site. So what they would view is the logged out menu. And this is a typical example of the logged out menu. As you can see here, we have examination, library, classes, history, shop, games. All of these can be accessed by visitors. Nonetheless, for them to go to the examination, it will request for passwords, but we have to let it be there so they know the school allows examination online. And the classes too, for them to have access to the classes, they will need password, but then it's there. But that's the example of the logged out menu. So let's have a peep of it in this section. As you can see, it's the same thing: history, school. Down, this is history. When you open it, you get to see objective anthem, school anthem, and the rest. But then let's also have a peep about on the logged in, so we know the difference. On the logged in section, you have functions like accounts, which has informations about you, where you can actually log into your profile and see your things about you. Look at, we have the account section here. We have profile and the rest. This is for the logged in section. Nonetheless, when you're logged in, you would not see register and log in. You would only find log out. So that's it about the menu. The menu can be changed. The names can be changed. For example, the games can be changed to something else. You can add whatever you want to add. New menu can be added from existing pages. You can add a new menu, school rules, and you see them here. As you can see, you can move them to whatever position you want them to be. And that's it about the school menu. You can actually tweak it to your taste. And next in line is the widget. Widget is actually in charge of this section of the site. This is the footer widgets. As you can see, we have 4 footers here: 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Nonetheless, these are functional, but they are currently disabled for your site. You can actually enable them if you know their full functionality. This will help your site to bring your site into having sidebars, if you know what sidebars are. But then you'd have to learn more to know what this aspect is about. Next on the line is users. From this section, from the user section, you can actually take control of all the users you have on your site. You can edit their functionality, edit their classroom, edit their everything about them can be in check from here. Suspension and enabling can be from this section of the administrative control panel. Let's take a view to one of the users panel. for the sake of time.